Close your eyes. Smell the scent of lamb in the air. A new taste. A new experience. You feel it, right? That's good, cause this is Chickpeas Iran channel and I'm Navid. In this video we're going to make a traditional Iranian beef stew called Abgoosht together. Stay with me. Yummy.
مزه طلا میده.
Tastes like gold. First, soak 500 grams of chickpeas in water for a few hours. To prepare the abgoosht, we use a pressure cooker. Add a full piece of beef shank into the pot. Followed by 1 kilogram of chopped meat and a few small pieces of lamb fat. Pour out the water from the soaked chickpeas and add the chickpeas into the pot. Add 2 medium-sized peeled onions. Add enough water to cover the meat and shank. Put it on high heat on the stove until you hear the sound of the pressure cooker valve. Then reduce the heat to medium and let it cook for about an hour and a half. Afterwards, release the pressure from the cooker. Add 1 tablespoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of mixed spices, 1 tablespoon of salt, half a tablespoon of black pepper. Add 150 grams of tomato paste. Add 3 medium-sized potatoes. Close the pressure cooker lid again and put it on high heat until the valve sounds again. Then reduce the heat to medium and let it simmer for an hour to let the flavors combine. Our traditional Iranian abgoosht is ready. In Iran, the broth is served separately in a bowl for each person. So you can dip it with a piece of shank bread. Also, shank is a traditional bread in Iran, but you can find it in various supermarkets around the world. Alright, let's get back to our recipe. Then separate the shank bone marrows. Peel the potatoes. And if there are any pieces of meat still stuck to the bones, remove them. After that, use a meat mallet to smash the contents well. We mash it enough not to make it a puree and leave it a little chunky, so you can still feel the pieces under your teeth. This mashed mixture is called goosht-koob and it's usually eaten with bread after the abgoosht broth is dipped and enjoyed. In the old days, it was a tradition that the head of the family would mash the goosht-koob. For example, if it was a day they were having abgoosht and the grandfather was at home, it was his responsibility to mash the meat. It was a sign of respect and honor. Alongside this delicious dish, fresh herbs, freshly baked shank bread, and various pickles are usually served. Alright, that was Abgoosht, a traditional and delicious Iranian dish. Thank you so much for sticking with me until the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Till another video, take care.